Ever wonder what's really driving your decisions? Well, let's get into the neuroscience behind it.
You know that feeling? You have a plan, but then, bam, an impulse takes over. There's a reason for that.
It's because your brain has two competing systems, constantly battling it out for control.
You've got System 1, that's your fast gut reaction brain. And then there's System 2, the slow, logical one.
And guess who's usually in the driver's seat? Your fast, emotional brain. Hello, impulse spies.
Okay, so let's meet the key players in this whole mental tug-of-war.
There's the limbic system, your emotional reactor, and then the frontal lobe, which is like the logical CEO.
So, the best decisions happen when that logical CEO is in charge, not the other way around.
But here's the amazing part. Your brain isn't fixed. It can actually change thanks to neuroplasticity. It all comes down to this. Neurons that fire together, wire together. Repetition literally creates your habits. And this is how it works. This is the habit loop, the brain's program for putting behavior on autopilot. It's simple. A cue triggers an action, which gets you a reward. And that just locks in the loop.
All right, so how do you break out of these automatic loops and take back the controls?
For starters, you can use a structured process like this one to force your logical brain to engage.
But honestly, the simplest tool is just a pause. That tiny bit of space makes all the difference.
But you gotta watch out for stress. It weakens your logical brain, making those emotional reactions much more likely. The good news is you can fight back with simple things like mindfulness, breathing, or even just some exercise.
Doing this stuff actually strengthens your frontal lobe, keeping that logical CEO in charge.
At the end of the day, remember this. You are the CEO of your own brain. You have the power to step back, see what's happening, and manage these systems with intention.
And that means you can build new habits, and yeah, you can even rewire the old ones.
So that just leaves one question. What one habit are you going to choose to start with?